Everyone. So this month is July month, and for July month we have planned theme, that is weather and seasons. Weather and seasons, right? So what is weather? Weather refers to the particular condition that keeps changing. The atmosphere changes. We know what the atmosphere is. Atmosphere is the layer of air around the earth. So when that atmosphere changes, weather also changes. So we can see this change every day, right? So let's see about various days of the week. These are the days of the week. Vihan, can you come and explain which are the various days of the week? Point out them.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.
Very good. So we have discussed about days of the week in this chart. Now let's see what is seasons. What is the season? Now when weather is a short term. In a day we can see different weather conditions. But season is when a particular weather prolongs for a particular time. Long term period characterized by weather patterns, that is called as seasons. Now seasons may last for 2 months, 3 months, it can last like that. So these are the various months of the year. Suhani, come here and explain about months of the year.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
First about months of the year. How many months do we have? Just now we saw we have total 12 months in a year. So out of those 12 months, currently we are in July month. So what we have to do, take out this July month. This is the calendar at the center. The calendar shows various dates. This month starts from Tuesday. And ends on Thursday. We have 31 days in this month. So this calendar we can keep changing because this is currently July. Next month is August. So when you want to see the August dates, you can replace this calendar with the August month calendar. What you can do is you can circle today's date. Now what is today? Suppose if it is 28. So you have to circle the 28. So this helps to learn which day is today, what date is today, and which month are you currently. So this helps you to explain this. So let's discuss now how to mark the date in the given calendar, whatever you have updated. Mridini, please come. You can circle today's date. What is today? Today is 30 July 2025. Circle 30. Very good. So we have discussed about days of the week. We have 7 days. Months of the year. We have 12 months. And this is the current calendar that shows the current date as well. Now let's discuss about weather and seasons. Weather. There are different weather displayed here. Discuss about various weather conditions. When you feel the sun is bright, which weather is that? Sunny. Very good. Suppose if it is raining. Rainy weather. If wind is blowing continuously, you can feel that. Windy. Very good. And suppose it is not neither rainy nor sunny, but you can see some clouds in the sky. So cloudy. Very good. So we say it as sunny day, rainy day, windy day, cloudy day. So sometimes it's stormy as well. Can you look outside and tell which day is today? Which day is it? Cloudy.
Windy.
Check.
Cloudy.
It's cloudy. Please, season is right now.
Monsoon.
Point out the monsoon and take out. Yes, this is monsoon. Take out. Paste it at the second position, that is now the season is. Now currently the season is monsoon. During December time, December, January, which season is it?
Winter.
winter. So that time what you need to do? Replace this monsoon by this winter. Naira, come. You can point out winter season and put it instead of that monsoon. Now the season is. Consider it is December month. Point out winter season. Very good. Take out the winter season. So we have discussed various seasons, but the current month is monsoon. So we are replacing this winter by monsoon. Just for demonstration, I asked about winter. But which month is this? July month. And this comes under monsoon season. Correct? Let's see. There is one option here. Today is. We have seen various days here. 7 days we have in a week. So which day is today? She has marked 30. So it's Wednesday. So the last option on the chart is today is. So she has already marked the date on the calendar of July month, that is 30. And 30 you can see it is Wednesday. So today is will be Wednesday. So as we have discussed about the chart today, weather and seasons, days of the week, calendar, months of the year, weather, seasons, you can practice this daily. You can circle the current date, you can replace the today's weather, you can see which the season is current and today's day. Did you understand everyone?
Yeah.
Can you name once again weather conditions loudly? Weather conditions. Seasons. Seasons. Thank you.